In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts and companies in HubSpot. Merging is how you combine duplicate records so your CRM stays clean and your reporting stays accurate. One record becomes the primary, and the other is merged into it. The timeline, notes, and associations are brought together, and HubSpot applies its merge rules to property values. Because this is a permanent change, take a moment to choose the right primary before you confirm. Let's start with contacts. From your HubSpot home, open the CRM and go to Contacts. Find the contact you want to keep as the primary record, the one with the most complete, correct information, and click Preview beside it to open the side panel. In that preview panel, open the Actions menu and choose Merge. You'll see a prompt to select the record you want to merge into your primary. Search for the duplicate contact, select it, and then confirm by clicking Merge. After you confirm, HubSpot combines the two records. The primary contact remains your base record, the secondary contact is merged into it, and the activity timelines, notes, and associations are consolidated. Some updates may take a minute or two to appear. Since this action is permanent, it's a good idea to double-check you selected the correct pair before confirming. A quick tip here. Pick as primary the record with the email address and activity history you rely on most, so the final record reflects what your team expects to see. Now let's merge companies. Back in the CRM, switch to Companies. Locate the company you want as the primary and click Preview beside it. Just like before, remember this is a permanent action. Once two companies are merged, you can't unmerge them. In the Preview panel, open the Actions menu and select Merge. Search for the duplicate company you want to combine, choose it, and then click Merge to confirm. HubSpot will consolidate those company records, bringing together activities, notes, and associations. Any contacts, deals, and tickets tied to the secondary company will carry over to the primary, so your team won't lose context. Give the system a moment to process, and then refresh to see the unified record. If anything looks off, review the remaining properties on the primary record and adjust as needed, so everything stays consistent with your internal naming and domain rules. And that's it. You've merged a contact and a company in HubSpot, the safe and reliable way. Keep your CRM tidy by merging only true duplicates and always selecting the correct primary before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.